for the low beam headlight bulbs are right here on the passenger side, and the driver's side right here. Really easy to get to. There's also a peaker cover behind the fender well too. Comes out. Twist it to the left, and the stock bulb will come out. So the actual stock bulb is just held in 2 prongs. You pull it out like that. There's a plus and minus sign. Make sure you lined up correctly. I believe the power for the Kona has the green wire coming from it. There. So make sure the plus sign lines up with the green wire. So we'll stick the bulb in first. Looking at the pattern, the big part goes downward.
Align to the housing socket. Turn right and lock LED bulb in place.
Just to the tail goes in the down, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
The cable's down. And check.
Put the dust cover back on. To reach the rear turn signal light from under the car, press turn left and take out the stock bulb. Put the LED bulb into the socket. Press turn right and lock it in place. Press down, turn right and lock it.
My first time using any type of Lasfit product. I was actually really surprised at the quality of the LEDs. The actual light output was surprising. The level didn't have to adjust it at all. The brightness is obviously way better. Yeah, overall really surprised, really happy I came out here to put these in.